Hello, lovely people. A warm welcome back to my channel. It's Samira here, and I hope you are all doing very well. So today I want to share with you my very simple, lazy chicken egg fried rice. Hey, chicken eggs fried rice. It's very, very, very delicious, I tell you. I make it when I'm very lazy, just say lazy on a lazy day, okay? I don't want to be doing too much things. That's when I do it. So, yeah, join me and let me go through with you how I make this delicious, beautiful recipe. So, because it's a lazy day, everything is going to be done lazily. So, no ingredients being shown beforehand. Okay, so here I put a block of butter. This butter is huge because the rice is a lot. Okay, in my wok, right? I melt the butter. Once the butter is melted, then I'll add in some ginger and garlic. Okay, so that's some garlic that I have grated. Okay, it's a lazy day, so I'm not going to blend things. Everything is grated, right? And this is the ginger, right? Okay, so I'm going to fry this for about a minute. Okay, a little less than a minute. It's not that long. Okay, then I add my rice. Okay, so here I'm using basmati rice. Okay, I'll put all the measurements in the description box for you. Okay, so I add my rice and then I stir fry it for about 2 to 5 minutes, between 2 and 5 minutes. I stir fry it until all the moisture from the rice, okay, is evaporated. But usually I would drain the rice first so it will have very little water to evaporate, so it doesn't take long. Okay, then I add in my water enough to cook it. So at this point you can use any stock of your choice, vegetable or chicken. So I'm adding one chicken stock pot. Okay, that's what I had. I didn't have the liquid one, so I'm using this one. So I'm going to try to break it up and it will melt, it will dissolve in the water in time. Okay, and then once that is done, of course I'll taste for salt and then I'll add my salt. Let me just say here that you can use any rice of your choice. Okay, for me, I like to on my lazy days I always go for basmati rice because basmati rice is very forgiving. Just say it doesn't become soggy. It's just like whatever you do, it still give you one rice, nice and fluffy rice. Okay, so I don't want to stress. Yeah, so yeah, once it boils, I come in and I give it a stir and then I cover it again until it cooks. Okay, so this is going to cook. You can just cook your rice just this way with just the ingredients we have now, and trust me, with any stew is very beautiful, right? But here we are making fried rice. Yeah, so yeah, at this point I'll just cover it for it to steam, right? Okay, so we're concentrating on the rice because we need the rice to cook, then we can start adding the rest of the ingredients. Okay, because it's just is one pot fried rice. Okay, so it means that we're not going to cook the rice separately and then stir fry our vegetables and other stuff. And no, we are just adding it into the pot, right? Okay, so now the rice is about 80% cooked. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to add our vegetables. Okay, so I'm using frozen mixed vegetables, and this is what I'm using. This is called Asian style stir fry veg mix. Okay, I picked it from the shops, and I'm going to pour this into the rice. Okay, so because this is icy, when you're using anything that is icy and adding it to your rice like that, you have to consider using less water at the beginning, otherwise your rice can turn soggy. Okay, because the ice is going to melt and it's going to be water. Okay, so I'm giving it a good stir and then I'll cover it and then we move on to get the other ingredients ready. Okay, so whilst that steams, we're going to get the other ingredients. Okay, so in a separate wok, I'm adding some sunflower oil, and here I'm adding some garlic and ginger. Okay, so I grated them. No, we are not working today, and I'm adding some onions. Okay, so I'll stir fry this for about a minute. Yes, and then I'm going to add my chicken. So this is chicken thighs that I have cut into bite size. Okay, so yes, I'm going to add it all into the and then stir fry this chicken and cook it. Okay, so yeah, I would have to just keep stir frying it, cooking it on very high heat so that it cooks like quickly. I'm adding some black pepper, crushed black pepper, and some salt to taste. Okay, so that our chicken will not be bland. It will be very, very tasty. It has garlic, has ginger, it has onions already. Okay, so we stir frying it, right? Okay, so yeah, you keep cooking it, and here at this point, I just wanted to add some green chilies, okay, to give me that kick. Me, I like pepper stuff, anything. Pepper say menum shishimi. Menum man shishimi, I mean didi. You understand? On a boning chow. That's what I mean. So I had to add some fresh green chilies, okay? So constantly stirring and making sure that it's cooked uniformly. And I want you to know that at some point, your chicken will release its juices and it forms some sort of stock around it. Never mind. Keep on stir frying. It will all evaporate nicely. Okay, so I just thought to show you this because sometimes we skip all these things. So you may encounter it and we are like, oh, what is happening? My food is spoiling. Here I'm adding some rendang. Rendang is a Chinese ingredient they use for fried rice. Okay, so I had some in my fridge. I'm like, why not? Why not? So it's really delicious when you add it to your fried rice. Okay, so yeah, I've added about 2 teaspoons, and here I'm also adding soybean paste. Oh my days, this one is also delicious. It's Chinese product, right? Very, very delicious. Okay, so yes, yeah, I'm adding that 2 tablespoons, no, 2 teaspoons as well. Okay, I'm giving it a very, very good stir, right? And this chicken when you just scoop it and put on your plate, you get your mortar genesibi. Now okopechi okona bi na se okana boss betumi arene saa anu musu egusu free. Okay, so our rice has been steaming alongside. I'm sure you saw it in the right corner there whilst I was cooking the chicken, right? So now I'm going to turn this chicken into the rice and give it a very good stir. Just say bibe num am on monanka say who say yes me nunumu. What I say? It's a mammy or see me boom. That is my mother. She's going to hit you. Just say hitting your inside, is hitting your back. You never remember your name. And true, when it happens, you don't remember your name. That's what you're going to do to this rice. We are going to stir it, so that the rice will not even know that it is rice that we are cooking. Patibida. So I'm giving it a stir and making sure that everything is uniformly mixed, okay? Because like two different things coming together, two components coming together. So we have to make sure every part of the rice is coated with this delicious mixture of chicken and rendang, soybean paste, and all the inconvenience. Okay, so yes, it's getting there. We are not done yet. We need to add some eggs as well. So I'm covering it for it to steam, and here I'm adding some parchment paper. Okay, so that it traps the heat and everything cooks nicely and it's perfect. So the same work, no need cleaning it. I'm adding some more oil, and here are my eggs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 eggs. Yeah, giving it a stir. I just added some soy sauce, and this is that's the only time we're adding soy sauce, okay, into our eggs. Okay, right? And then we're going to fry this egg. Okay, we're going to scramble it. Okay, we're not going to fry it like normal, just scramble it, and then it breaks into pieces. Then we add it to our rice, and then our fried rice is ready. You see, very, very easy. It's just it's so easy. It's like on a lazy day, how you see. So my egg is ready, and I've added spring onions. Okay, I've chopped some spring onions, and you always add your spring onions at the end, otherwise it gets wilted. Okay, so at the end, then you just put it on, sprinkle it. It's just for garnishing. So once it goes in, we just give it a stir, and then that is it. It's ready. That is it. Beautiful. Nicely done. And I'm almost saying simple, fe. That is what you are seeing right now. Beautiful. It's really delicious. Very, very tasty. The flavors are all there. The flavors are, you won't believe it. So yes, I hope you give this recipe a try. Yes, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and then share it if you think you have lazy people around. This one, my sister Raja is going to blame me that anytime I say lazy, she knows I'm thinking about her. What's it be that? That is my sister for you. So yeah, thank you for joining me today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.